short video to let you know what the workshop I called Tips and Resources to Improve Teachers' Pronunciation is all about. My main aim, my main objective is to give you some basic notions of how the sound system of English works, how phonetics works in English. Not for you to become expert phoneticians, but rather to help you improve your own pronunciation as teachers in the teaching context, and basically to make you feel more confident when you're speaking English with your students. This workshop is really intended at teachers who have to teach their subject in English, either who are doing it at the moment or who would like to do so in the future. Examples of some of the activities we're going to do, we will very briefly have a look at why you say bear, hear, heart, and heard. Why do you have the same digraph, the same two letters, but depending on the context, on the surrounding letters, to pronounce four completely different vowel sounds? So we will have a quick look at that. Or the opposite case, why, if you have completely different spellings, actually you're pronouncing exactly the same sound, and you're saying love, cut, enough, with totally different spellings. That's why English might be baffling at times. We will try and help you pronounce these expressions here. If you need to say something like, I must have called 1,000 times, I must have called. So these expressions, these forms might be a bit tricky sometimes. You may already be teaching your students, if you're working in infants and primary, about the magic E, the reasons why you say make or dine. Would you like to know why this happens? What's the reason behind these sound changes? So we will discuss them very briefly as well. Just for you to know, we're going to be using lots of audiovisual resources, real materials, definitely. So we're going to be using songs, TV ads, and clips from TV shows and films. If you feel you would like to improve your own pronunciation, if you would like to feel more confident when teaching in English in terms of your pronunciation and general phonological traits, then sign up for this workshop.